Good day and welcome to another video with Switchblade Wade's EDC. Today we have a fantastic Italian stiletto switchblade, but we have our first swing guard stiletto switchblade on the channel today. This is a Frank Beltrame Ebony wood dagger blade stiletto switchblade. This was actually one of my first Frank Beltrame purchases, and yeah, let's take a look at this one. Beautiful knife, brass lined as well. Look at that. Let's fire this bad boy up. Oh yeah, dagger blade baby. This is the best resi you're ever gonna find. Oh yeah. Frank Beltrame baby. Dagger blade. Swing guard. Stiletto switchblade straight from Italy. I'm gonna find out when Frank Beltrame's making more of these again. The last time he made these was last year, so we'll try and get some more, put them on the website. But this is just a nice quick review of Frankie P Ebony dagger blade 11-inch swing guard stiletto switchblade. Beautiful knife, beautiful. Let's fire this one up again. This one has a little lever here to release the lock. Whoops, fuck, don't want that to happen. Let's try it again. Beautiful. I try not to let it happen, but I'm looking in the camera here so I can get a good video. But anyway, as long as it hit against wood, if it hit against concrete, I'd be fucking pissed with myself. Anyway, look at that beautiful stiletto switchblade. Quick video today again, so like, share, subscribe, and visit our website, our web store, where we have more affordable switchblades available. More stiletto switchblades, Italian made, will be available soon, but get those ones, and some watches available as well. So what you waiting for, man? Thanks for joining us. See you on the next one, baby. Peace.